Step 1. Hardware connection. Power the switch. And access the internet. Step 2. Create a project. Open the Wi-Tek Cloud app. Click the plus sign to add a project. Select Universal Project. Enter the project name and password. And click Add to complete the creation. Step 3. Device identification and addition. Scan the serial number QR code on the back of the switch and select Cloud Management. Click Auto Detect. Enter the last 6 digits of the MAC. Step 4. Check the status of the device on the cloud. Now the device is online on the cloud. You can view the device information at will. Step 5. Test cloud deployment configuration. Connect to the camera. Select the port. And turn off the PO function of the port. You can see that the port indicator on the cloud is off and the local device indicator is off.